Another episode of Under 2 Minutes. Today we are going over the exclude option in Pathfinder. Now you can kind of think of this as the opposite of the intersect. The intersect button, when it was overlapping, it would kind of combine the two layers that were intersecting. The exclude button excludes that layer of overlap. So I'll show you what I mean here. When I highlight both of these, you can see that these layers are overlapping, the points are not. So the inside of the polygon is overlapping that circle. Now if I hit exclude, it is going to take away that overlap. So here we go. Exclude button, click it, and now that overlapping polygon has been cut out. So you still have these outside points here because those were not overlapping with the circle. So it has only cut out that two overlap. Now you can make some really complex shapes here just by excluding. As you can see, this is something that looks very nice, but all it was two shapes that were excluded from each other. So the Pathfinder lets you make some complex ideas just by cutting out and essentially hole punching, kind of the same thing with minus front that we had done earlier. And that's all there is to the exclude button in Pathfinder.